Home is not a place, it's a feeling of being embraced and cherished. Are you looking for a property that delivers space, sophistication, and pure comfort? This is definitely a home you'll want to see. With its modern design, a generous floor area, and high-end features, this house is built for families who want nothing less than luxury living. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm taking you inside one of the most stunning homes here in South Fort Villas, a premium community known for its exclusivity, elegance, and resort-style lifestyle. So get ready because we're about to tour a home that truly elevates the meaning of premium. Let's begin. Dito sa ating pinaka main gate, which is located here. Now, of course, mapapansin nyo, it's very spacious going to your pinaka main entrance. And our location for two-car garage is located here naman. So, meron tayong service area dito. Makikita nyo, papasok doon hanggang sa pinakaloob ng ating property. Kung mapapansin nyo, nandito yung housekeeper's room and of course, the dirty kitchen and laundry area. So makikita nyo, meron pa tayong additional space dito which is perfect for our mini garden, no? And it also has a window from our living area. So pasukin na natin what's inside this beautiful property here in South Fort Villas. Welcome to your new home here in South Fort Villas. Upon entry, meron tayong makikita dito, of course, na storage area which is perfect sa mga sapatos and other stuff natin here in the house. So, paglakad mo dito, no, nakikita mo yung very spacious area which is perfect for our living area and dining area. So, makikita nyo, it also has a window here. So, makikita nyo yung pinaka-entrance mo, yung pinaka-gate mo. This space talaga is perfect for the living area. And dito naman yung ating pinaka-dining area. So, makikita nyo, meron na siyang may mga ganyang accent, meron na din siyang ready na socket, talagang perfect na talaga siya tirhan, gaunting gamit nyo na lang yung kulang. Then makita nyo in this area, it has a sliding door na pwede nyo gawing lanay natin or mini pocket garden, no? So mamamaximize nyo pa to. Or pwede rin pag may mga small gathering tayo, gusto nyo mag-ihaw-ihaw, pwede mo rin siyang gawing service area. So silipin natin yung ating pinaka-kitchen area na napaka-elegant tingnan. So here, yung ating kitchen area. As you can see, no, it's a U-shaped kitchen. Meron na siyang mga built-in cabinets, range hood, and stove. So, talagang perfect siya. Kung mapapansin nyo, napakadami ng cabinets. So, maganda talaga siya, even dito sa pinakababa. So, one thing I like about this kitchen area, no, meron siyang gantong sliding na pwede mong isara. So, pag ayaw mo nung maliwanag or nasisilaw ka, pwede mo siyang ibaba dyan. So here, pakita ko sa inyo guys. Yan. So napakaganda niya. It's very elegant talaga. And of course, dito naman, no, meron tayong additional storage area. So makikita nyo talagang yung kada corner nito is min-maximize. Nilagyan ng mga storage area. So here, no, ito yung additional door natin aside sa pinaka-main door. So nandito yung ating dirty kitchen and of course yung laundry area na pwede mo nang ilagay dito. One thing I like is meron siyang housekeeper's room which is located here. So may sarili siyang space. It also has a toilet and bath na rin. So eto pa yung space natin going to the sliding door na papunta sa ating pinaka-dining area. So it's very spacious pa din talaga. So pwede ka maglagay ng mga halaman if you're a plant lover para mas fresh, talagang masarap tumira talaga kasi yung bang nasa city ka pero feeling mo probinsya vibes pa din. So of course, dito sa ating ground floor, meron din tayong powder room which is located here. So dito yon guys, pakita ko sa inyo. Yan, it's very spacious. Meron siyang malaking mirror, of course, the toilet and the sink, no? Guys, silipin naman natin yung second floor kung saan located yung pinaka-rooms natin dito sa property na ito. So, we are now here sa second floor ng pinaka-property na to and, of course, unahin na natin yung ating master's bedroom which is located here. So, as you can see, no, it's very spacious as well. At ang kagandahan pa, syempre, meron itong sariling balcony, which is located here. So, mapapansin nyo, napaka-aliwalas, mahangin. So, talagang ma-enjoy nyo yung everyday morning nyo here. So, meron pa siya dito, no? So, makikita nyo yung ibang property here in this exclusive village. So, pasukin naman natin dito, no, yung ating pinaka-toilet and bath sa ating master's bedroom. Ang kagandahan, no, it has its own door. So, talagang pag nandito kayo, nagstay kayo sa inyong pinaka-bedroom, no, hindi nyo makikita siya. And it has a mini walk-in closet. So, ang ganda, no, makita nyo yung mga cabinets, it's built-in na. It really maximizes all the spaces. And dito, no, meron tayong dalawang toilet sink, which is for his and for her. And andito naman yung ating shower area and of course, the toilet. So, makikita nyo, no, napakaganda talaga and aliwalas. Na-maximize talaga niya to kasi imagine kapag nalagyan niya to ng 5 bedroom. So, silipin natin yung ating bedroom 2, located naman here. Kung makita nyo, no, meron itong view talaga ng other properties. So, masasabi ko maaliwalas talaga. And makita nyo, meron na rin tayong built-in cabinets and mga aircon na naka-install dito, which is included once you purchase this property. Silipin naman natin yung ating bedroom 3. So, yung bedroom 3 naman natin is almost the same lang siya ni bedroom 2. When it comes to size, talagang halos same lang din. Meron na ding built-in cabinet and aircon na included. So, ang kagandahan, no, dito sa house na to, mapapansin nyo, ang lalaki ng ating pinaka-windows and sliding na siya. So, pag binuksan mo, talagang pumapasok yung direct heat ng sunlight and of course, yung fresh air. Pero kung gusto niyo naman more security, pwede kayo magpalagay ng grills. But here naman in South for Villas, no, when it comes to security and exclusivity, very safe ka naman talaga dito. So, meron din tayong, of course, na common toilet and bath dito sa ating second floor na located naman here. So, ayan guys. Makita nyo, meron tayong shower area, the toilet, the sink. Meron na rin tayo ditong pinaka-mirror. So, kompleto na din siya. Talagang yung other na gamit nyo nila and personal stuff talaga. So, ang kagandahan pa, since wala naman itong mga gamit pa, so you have an option pa din kung anong ilalagay mo. Talagang mapifeel mo pa din siya na personal home mo. Kasi, syempre, meron din siyang personal touch when it comes sa pagde-design ng ating mga gamit. So, from here, puntahan naman natin, of course, yung ating pinaka third floor or tinatawag nating attic. So, we are now here sa ating pinaka third floor ng property na ito here in South for Villas. So, makikita nyo na meron pa siyang additional space dito na pwede mo ring gawin pang additional na living area. Pwede mo siyang lagyan ng sofa or anything na magpapaganda or magbibigay ng accent sa pinaka-house na to. Ang napakaganda pa dito, no, imagine nasa third floor na tayo, but meron pa tayong 2 additional room dito. So, unahin natin itong isang room natin dito na located sa third floor. So, mapapansin nyo, it's very spacious. Meron pa siyang wide view na makikita nyo yung other properties. So, yung position talaga ng bahay is napakaganda, mataas siya. So, very maaliwalas. At the same time, no, etong pinaka-room na to, pwede natin to i-convert into a office room or activity room ng ating mga kids. Na napakaganda talaga kasi imagine na maximize talaga yung RV space ng pinaka-property na to. So, silipin natin yung pinaka-last room na nandito sa ating house na to. So, which is located naman siya here. So, mapapansin nyo, even attic to, high ceiling pa din siya. Hindi yung literal na parang mauuntog tayo. Kasi mostly sa mga ibang property na mayroong third floor, yung pinaka-third level, ginagawa lang nila siyang storage room dun sa mga gamit nila. So, talaga na-maximize, pwede mo siyang i-convert to additional room, especially kung meron tayong guests or friends na bumibisita coming from a different places. So, here naman, no, may additional storage area talaga na, like I mentioned, na-maximize talaga RV space ng property. And hindi mawawala ang ating toilet and bath na located naman here. So, yan. Meron tayong shower area na located dito. And of course, yung ating toilet sink. So, as you can see, no, yung nakita nyo na yung buong property, and I hope nag-enjoy kayo with this video. And just a short recap about this property here in Southport Villas. It has a lot area of 154 square meter, a floor area of 250 square meter approximately, 5 bedrooms, 4 toilet and bath. It also has a housekeeper room, and of course, meron din ito 2-car garage. So, imagine that, guys. And if those qualification or hinahanap nyo na property is pasok dito, no, you can consider this, and this might be the best property for you here in the South. Thanks for joining me on this quick house tour, and this is Jen Sorne of Elite Properties. If this family home checks the boxes for your family when it comes to location, space, and premium lifestyle, don't wait. Send me a message now and I'll arrange a private tour and walk you through every step of the purchase. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more investment-ready properties here in the South. See you on my next tour.